ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, വരാനിരിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാ സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് എക്സാംസും പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ജനുവരി 8-ാം തീയതി നടക്കുന്ന KLDC എക്സാമിന് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന എല്ലാ ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്കും വേണ്ടി ഞാൻ ഇന്നൊരു ഗ്രാൻഡ് മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് ആണ് കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇതിനകത്ത് മാക്സിമം 100+ പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഈ വരുന്ന ആഴ്ചകളിലൊക്കെ മാക്സിമം മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റുകൾ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുക, പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനുകൾ കാണുക, പഠിച്ച ഭാഗങ്ങൾ വീണ്ടും റിവൈസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക. അല്ലാതെ പുതിയ സബ്ജക്റ്റുകൾ പഠിച്ച് ഇനിയും സമയം കളയരുത്. അതുപോലെ കൂടുതൽ ഈ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റുകൾ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കുറച്ചുകൂടി കോൺഫിഡൻസ് വർദ്ധിക്കാം. നിങ്ങൾ എവിടം വരെ പഠിച്ചു എന്നത് ഒന്ന് വിലയിരുത്താൻ കൂടിയാണ് മാക്സിമം മോക്കുകൾ അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യണമെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ അപ്പൊ ഇന്നത്തെ ഗ്രാൻഡ് മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് മാക്സിമം പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയുള്ള ഗ്രാൻഡ് മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. അതിനു മുമ്പ് ആദ്യമായിട്ടാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയർ റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ആ ബെല്ലൈക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാം. സോ നമുക്ക് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ഇൻ ഡിസ്റ്റംബർ ദ ബേസ് മെറ്റീരിയൽ ഈസ്. ഓപ്ഷൻസ്: ലൈം, ചോക്ക്, അലൂമിന, വാർണിഷ്. ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി, ചോക്ക്. In December, the base material is. Answer option B, chalk. The diameter of pin knot is about. Options: 4.5 mm, 6.5 mm, 12 mm, 7.5 mm. Answer option B, 6.5 mm. The diameter of pin knot is about. Answer option B, 6.5 mm. The watering applied to the land before sowing of crops is called. Options: delta, core watering, paleo, duty. Answer option C, paleo. The watering applied to the land before sowing of crops is called. Answer option C, paleo. Example of kharif crop. Options: barley, wheat, rice, gram. Answer option C, rice. Example of kharif crop. Answer option C, rice. The flooring of bridge is supported on the top of supports is. Options: slab bridge, through bridge, deck bridge, semi-through bridge. Answer option C, deck bridge. The flooring of bridge is supported on the top of supports is. Answer option C, deck bridge. A cut provided in the door frame to receive the shutter. Options: mortise, horn, rabbit, jam. Answer option C, rabbit. A cut provided in the door frame to receive the shutter. Answer option C, rabbit. The projection of the lower step from vertical face of the upper step in a stepped footing. Options: bearing, lap, offset, none of above. Answer option C, offset. The projections of a lower step from the vertical face of the upper step in a stepped footing. Answer option C, offset. In AutoCAD drawing, function key dash is used for ortho mode on and off. Option: F9, F7, F8, F6. Answer option C, F8. In AutoCAD drawing, function key F8 is used for ortho mode on and off. The projection of the lower step from vertical face of the upper step in a stepped footing. Options: bearing, lap, offset, none of above. Answer option C, offset. The projections of a lower step from the vertical face of the upper step in a stepped footing. Answer option C, offset. Laterite is an example of options: volcanic rock, argillaceous rock, organic rock, siliceous rock. Answer option B, argillaceous rock. Laterite is an example of argillaceous rock. The intensity of pressure at any point in a fluid at rest is same in all direction is options: Newton's law, Pascal's law, Archimedes principle, Bernoulli's theorem. Answer option B, Pascal's law. The intensity of pressure at any point in a fluid at rest is same in all direction is answer option B, Pascal's law. The finest modulus of fine aggregate is options: 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Answer option B, 2 to 3. Finest modulus of fine aggregate is answer option B, 2 to 3. For a liquid, the variation in its volume with the variation of pressure is known as options: viscosity, the compressibility, liquid pressure, mass density. Answer option B, the compressibility. For a liquid, variation in its volume with the variation of pressure is known as answer option B, the compressibility. The removal of props of slab spanning up to 4.5 meter is dash days: 3 days, 7 days, 10 days, 21 days. Answer option B, 7 days. Removal of props of slab spanning up to 4.5 meter is 7 days. The minimum depth of concrete at the crown of a jack arch floor should be options: 100 mm, 150 mm, 300 mm, 450 mm. Answer option B, 150 mm. In raking, the bottom of the raker is rest on options: braces, salt plate, rakers, straining. Answer option B, salt plate. In raking, the bottom of the raker is rest on. Answer option B, salt plate. Silica melts at dash degrees. Options: 1430, 1730, 1510, 1400. Answer option B, 1730 degrees. The silica melts at 1730 degrees. One cubic feet is dash gallons. Options: 4.546, 6.23, 6.32, 4.46. Answer option B, 6.23. 1 cubic feet is 6.23 gallon. Duco is a trade name for options: bituminous paint, cellulose paint, oil paint, water paint. Answer option B, cellulose paint. Duco is the trade name for answer cellulose paint. The ratio of inertia force to viscous force. Options: Weber number, Reynolds number, Euler's number, Mach number. Answer: option B, Reynolds number. The inertia of force to viscous force is called. Answer: option B, Reynolds number. The plate load test determines. Options: safe bearing capacity of soil, ultimate bearing capacity of soil, size of foundation, depth of foundation. Answer: option B, ultimate bearing capacity of soil. The plate load test determines. Answer: option B, ultimate bearing capacity of soil. Distance between two neighboring brass rings is. Options: less than 20 cm, 1 meter, 20 cm, 5 meter. Answer: option B, 1 meter. Distance between two neighboring brass rings is. Answer: option B, 1 meter. The isometric axes are inclined at a dash degree to each other. Options: 150 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree. Answer: option B, 120 degree. The isometric axes are inclined at a 120 degree to each other. The difference between the most probable value of a quantity and its observed value is. Options: true error, residual error, safe error, conditional error. Answer: option B, residual error. Difference between the most probable value of a quantity and its observed value is. Answer: residual error. The minimum hardness number for marble is about. Options: 5, 3, 8, 10. Answer: option B, 3. The minimum hardness number for marble is about. Answer: option B, 3. Analytic lens is. Options: plane, convex, concave, plano-concave. Answer: option B, convex. Analytic lens is. Answer: option B, convex. An additional floor, gallery or balcony erected between the floor and ceiling of any story. Options: landing, mezzanine floor, mosaic floor, lobby. Answer: option B, mezzanine floor. An additional floor, gallery or balcony erected between the floor and ceiling of any story. Answer: option B, mezzanine floor. The instrument which is having mirror, metal frame and gimbal is. Options: box section, clinometer, gut tracer, hand level. Answer: option B, clinometer. Magnetic needle method is used in plane table when. Options: doing survey at any place, require less accuracy, second station is available, no possibility of error. Answer: option B, require less accuracy. Magnetic needle method is used in plane table when. Answer: option B, require less accuracy. Smallest division in the graduated scale of Vickert apparatus. Options: 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, none of those. Answer option A 1 mm. Smallest division in the graduated scale of Vickert apparatus. Answer option A 1 mm. The box of prismatic compass is made of options steel, brass, iron, aluminium. Answer option B brass. The box of prismatic compass is made of answer option B brass. Leveling across a river is done by options fly leveling, reciprocal leveling, trigonometric leveling, cross leveling. Answer option B reciprocal leveling. The leveling across a river is done by answer option B reciprocal leveling. The accuracy of fix by 2-point problem is options unique, not reliable, good, bad. Answer option B not reliable. The accuracy of fix by 2-point problem is answer option B not reliable. The baseline is measured with options metallic tape, chain, steel tape, invar tape. Answer option B chain. The baseline is measured with answer option B chain. Irrigation canals are generally aligned along options contour line, ridge line, straight line, valley line. Answer option B ridge line. Irrigation canal are generally aligned along answer option B ridge line. A Salion gut tracer does not consist options brass sighting tube, tripod, crosswire, small hole. Answer option B tripod. A Salion gut tracer does not consist answer option B tripod. Part of compass adjusting the prism according to eye height is options hinged strap, lifting lever, focused stud, eye weigh. Answer option C focused stud. The part of compass adjusting the prism according to eye height is answer option C focused stud. Thin sheet of wood of superior quality are called options log, batons, veneers, ledgers. Answer option C veneers. Thin sheet of wood of superior quality are called answer option C veneers. The mercury does not wet the glass. This is due to the property of liquid known as options viscosity, adhesion, surface tension, cohesion. Answer option C surface tension. Mercury does not wet the glass. This is due to the property of liquid known as answer option C surface tension. T square is made from options pine, teak, oak, all the above. Answer option B teak. T square is made from answer option B teak. Size of A5 drawing sheet. Options 594 by 420, 420 by 297, 297 by 210, 148 by 210. Answer option D 148 by 210. The size of A5 drawing sheet is, answer option D, 148 by 210. Area of A2 sheet is dash m square. Options 1, 0.5, 0.25, 0.125. Answer option C, 0.25. Area of A2 sheet is 0.25 m square. Minimum area of window in wet climate. Options 1 by 5 of floor area, 1 by 6 of floor area, 1 by 10 of floor area, 1 by 15 of floor area. Answer option B, 1 by 6 of floor area. The minimum area of window in wet climate. Answer option B, 1 by 6 of floor area. Which of the following paint is shines and visible even in darkness? Options cellulose paint, aluminum paint, synthetic rubber, emulsion. Answer option B, aluminum paint. Which of the following paint is shines and visible even in darkness? Answer option B, aluminum paint. Skirting in bathroom should up to. Options 200 centimeter, 250 centimeter, 300 centimeter, 350 centimeter. Answer option A, 200 centimeter. The portion of road between the edge of road formation and edge of pavement is called. Options median, carriageway, berm, curb. Answer option C, berm. Portion of road between the edge of road formation and edge of pavement is known as. Answer option C, berm. The road connecting district headquarters of a state is. Options National Highway, State Highway, District Road, Expressway. Answer option B, State Highway. Road connecting district headquarters of state is. Answer option B, State Highway. Test to measure the hardness of road aggregate. Options attrition test, abrasion test, impact test, compression test. Answer option B, abrasion test. Test to measure the hardness of road aggregates. Answer option B, abrasion test. Minimum width of stair for a single family. Options 90 centimeter, 80 centimeter, 75 centimeter, 85 centimeter. Answer option C, 75 centimeter. Minimum width of stair for a single family. Answer option C, 75 centimeter. Minimum headroom provided for a stair is. Options 2.7 meter, 2.1 meter, 2.6 meter, 1.8 meter. Answer option B, 2.1 meter. Minimum headroom provided for a stair is. Answer option B, 2.1 meter. Plinth should be at least dash centimeter higher than general road. Options 30 centimeter, 45 centimeter, 50 centimeter, 65 centimeter. Answer option B, 45 centimeter. Plinth should be at least 45 centimeter higher than the general road. The building plan is a section at the level. Options: foundation, sill, roof and plinth. Answer: option B, sill. The building plan is a section at the level. Answer: option B, sill. On the basis of fire resistance, NBC of Indian, a building with fire resistance is more than 4 hours is classified as. Options: type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Answer: option A, type 1. On the basis of fire resistance, NBC of India, the building with the fire resistance more than 4 hours is classified as. Answer: option A, type 1. T-square is used to draw. Options: vertical lines, inclined lines, horizontal lines, all the above. Answer: option C, horizontal line. T-square is used to draw. Answer: option C, horizontal lines. Technical drawing pencil selected according to. Options: soft, grade, hardness, thickness. Answer: option B, grade. Technical drawing pencil selected according to. Answer: option B, grade. Freehand sketch, lettering, dimensioning are done by. Options: conical edges, bevel edges, chisel edges, cylindrical edges. Answer: option A, conical edges. It used to rub the particular portion in drawing without erasing nearby lines. Options: templates, eraser, rubber, erasing shield. Answer: option D, erasing shield. It is used to rub the particular portion in a drawing without erasing nearby lines. Answer: option D, erasing shield. It used to draw smooth curve passing through any given point. Options: cycloid curve, French curve, flexible curve, plane curve. Answer: option C, flexible curve. It is used to draw smooth curve pass through the any given point. Answer: option C, flexible curve. Double ordinate passing through the focus. Options: latus rectum, ordinate, abscissa, directrix. Answer: option A, latus rectum. Double ordinate passing through the focus. Answer: option A, latus rectum. Distance along axis between vertex and point where ordinate cut the axis. Options: vertex, directrix, latus rectum, abscissa. Answer: option D, abscissa. Distance along axis between vertex and point where ordinate cut the axis. Answer: option D, abscissa. Eccentricity is equal to 1 is. Options: ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, circle. Answer: option B, parabola. Eccentricity is equal to 1 is. Answer: option B, parabola. Axial movement of point moving on surface of cylinder during its one revolution. Options: lead, pitch, thread, none of above. Answer: option A, lead. Axial movement of point moving on surface of cylinder during its one revolution. Answer option A, lead. Included area of parabola is dash of area circumscribing parallelogram. Options 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 2 by 3, none of those. Answer option C, 2 by 3. Included area of parabola is 2 by 3 of area circumscribing parallelogram. Hughes curve connects. Options 2 arcs, 2 straight lines, 2 curves, none of those. Answer option B, 2 straight lines. Hughes curve connects. Answer option B, 2 straight lines. Visual ray method. Options general oblique, cabinet, oblique, perspective. Answer option D, perspective. Visual ray method. Answer option D, perspective. Anglometer lines dash degrees. Options 25, 45, 35, 65. Answer option B, 45. Anglometer lines is dash degree. Answer option B, 45 degree. Special publications of BIS for engineering drawing practice for students. Options SP25, SP45, SP46, SP65. Answer option C, SP46. Special publication of BIS for engineering drawing practice for students. Answer option C, SP46. The portion of road surface which is used by vehicular traffic is known as. Options shoulder, expressway, carriageway, none of those. Answer option C, carriageway. The portion of road surface which is used by vehicular traffic is known as. Answer option C, carriageway. As per IRC, the camber on cement concrete road should be. Options 1 in 6 to 1 in 5, 1 in 45 to 1 in 60, 1 in 60 to 1 in 50, 1 in 12 to 1 in 16. Answer option C, 1 in 16 to 1 in 50. As per IRC, the camber on cement concrete road should be 1 in 60 to 1 in 50. The maximum design gradient for vertical profile of a road is. Options limiting gradient, ruling gradient, exceptional gradient, minimum gradient. Answer option B, ruling gradient. The maximum design gradient for vertical profile of a road is. Answer option B, ruling gradient. Causeways are type of. Options side drains, cross drainage structure, jelly drains, subsurface drainage structure. Answer option B, cross drainage structure. Causeways are type of. Answer option B, cross drainage structure. Bituminous pavement are. Options rigid pavement, semi-rigid pavement, semi-flexible pavement, flexible pavement. Answer option D, flexible pavement. Bituminous pavement are option D is an answer, flexible pavement. CBR test is widely used in the design of options semi-flexible pavement, rigid pavement, flexible pavement, semi-rigid pavement. Answer option C, flexible pavement. CBR test is widely used in the design of answer option C, flexible pavement. The inner part of a rod bent downward from the edge at the place with the curve or bend is options camber, curve, subcrust, super elevation. Answer option D, super elevation. The inner part of a rod bend downwards from the edge at the place with a curve or bend is answer option D, super elevation. Dash is used while determining the rod alignment. Options limiting gradient, ruling gradient, exceptional gradient, floating gradient. Answer option B, ruling gradient. Dash is used while determining the rod alignment. Answer option B, ruling gradient. Maximum ruling gradient as per IRC. Options 1 in 500, 1 in 100, 1 in 20, 1 in 30. Answer option D, 1 in 30. Maximum ruling gradient as per IRC. Answer option D, 1 in 30. As per IRC, the minimum width of median in rural area is options 8 meter, 10 meter, 5 meter and 2 meter. Answer option C, 5 meter. As per IRC, the minimum width of median in rural area is answer option C, 5 meter. Ability of a material to withstand the action of acids, alkalis, gases and salt solutions. Options fire resistance, chemical resistance, forced resistance, sparling resistance. Answer option B, chemical resistance. Ability of a material to withstand the action of acids, alkali, gases and salt solutions. Answer option B, chemical resistance. The resistance of a material to deflection is called options plasticity, stiffness, ductility, brittleness. Answer option B, stiffness. The resistance of a material to deflection is called answer option B, stiffness. The property of a material to absorb water vapor from air. Options water absorption, hydroscopicity, plasticity, none of above. Answer option B, hydroscopicity. Property of a material to absorb water vapor from air. Answer option B, hygroscopicity. Excess of lime in brick result in options color change, loss of shape, decay of bricks, none of those. Answer option B, loss of shape. Excess lime in brick result in answer option B, loss of shape. The inclined member of a mason scaffolding. which offer strength and stability and fixed to the ground is? Options: braces, rakes, ledgers, standards. Answer: option D, rakers. Inclined member of a mason scaffolding which offers strength and stability and fixed to the ground is? Answer: option B, rakers. The bond in which the bricks are arranged at 45 degree in opposite direction from the center line of the wall thickness. Option: silver lock bond, herringbone bond, diagonal bond, zigzag bond. Answer: option B, herringbone bond. The bond in which the bricks are arranged at 45 degree in opposite direction from the center line of the wall thickness. Answer: option B, herringbone bond. Which one is not a lubricant? Options: graphite, varnish, mica, talc. Answer: option B, varnish. Which one is not a lubricant? Answer: option B, varnish. Volcanic ash containing about 80% clay is known as? Options: surki, pozzolana, slag, fly ash. Answer: option B, pozzolana. Volcanic ash containing about 80% clay is known as? Answer: option B, pozzolana. Chain thin lines are used to denote. Option: long break, center line, visible outlines, hidden outlines. Answer: option B, central line. Chain thin lines are used to denote. Answer: central line. Dash imparts uniform shape to bricks. Option: silica, lime, alumina, all of those. Answer: option A, silica. Silica imparts uniform shape to bricks. Dash helps the clay to attain desired degree of plasticity. Options: weathering, tempering, blending, cleaning. Answer: option B, tempering. Tempering helps the clay to attain the desired degree of plasticity. The brick prepared by dipping the mold in water every time is called? Options: pressed brick, slope molded brick, wire cut bricks, and sand molded bricks. Answer: option B, slope molded brick. The brick prepared by dipping the mold in water every time is called? Answer: option B, slope molded brick. The minimum crushing strength of bricks as per BIS in Newton per mm square. Options: 10.5, 3.5, 7.5, 5.5. Answer: option B, 3.5. The minimum crushing strength of bricks as per BIS in Newton per mm square. Answer: 3.5. Dash is most widely used kiln in India. Options: tunnel, Huffman's, bull trench, none of above. Answer: option C, bull trench. Continuity of wood fibers is broken in which type of defect? Options: stain, druxinus, foxinus, knot. Answer: option D, knots. Continuity of wood fibers is broken in which type of defect? Answer: option D, knots. A crack which separates the fibers of wood and does not extend from one end to other. Options: check, twist, split, none of those. Answer: option A, check. The crack which separates the fibers of wood and does not extend from one end to other. Answer: option A, check. Core or cell differs from protoplasm by the presence of options: nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, hydrogen. Answer: option C, phosphorus. Core or cell differs from protoplasm by the presence of answer: option C, phosphorus. Blockboard is made of strip of wood with the width not exceeding options: 60 mm, 50 mm, 40 mm, 30 mm. Answer: option D, 30 mm. Blockboard is made of strips of wood with width not exceeding answer: option D, 30 mm. Timber is classified into how many classes based on durability? Options: 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer: option D, 3. Timber is classified into how many classes of based on durability? Answer: option B, 3. Best antiseptic preservative for timber. Options: coal tar, Askew treatment, creosote oil, Solingam paints. Answer: option C, creosote oil. The best antiseptic preservative for timber. Answer: option C, creosote oil. A newly felled tree contains dash percentage or more of its dry weight as water. Options: 20%, 60%, 50%, 10%. Answer: option C, 50%. A newly felled tree contains 50% or more of its dry weight as water. Dolerite is an example. Options: plutonic rock, hypabasal rock, volcanic rock, sedimentary rock. Answer: option B, hypabasal rock. Lignite is an example for options: metamorphic rock, igneous rock, sedimentary rock, none of those. Answer: option C, sedimentary rock. Lignite is an example for sedimentary rock. Predominate factor in plutonic metamorphism. Options: heat, direct pressure, uniform pressure and heat, heat in combination with stress. Answer: option C, uniform pressure and heat. Predominate factor in plutonic metamorphism. Answer: option C, uniform pressure and heat. Presence of soluble matter in a sample of stone found by options: water absorption test, Speyer test, acid test, Smith test. Answer: option D, Smith test. Presence of soluble matter in a sample of stone found out by answer: option D, Smith test. Glass used for making prisms. Options: soda lime glass, potash lime glass, potash lead glass, common glass. Answer: option C, potash lead glass. Glass used for making prisms. Answer: option C, potash lead glass. Dash glass is made using a mixture of potassium silicates and calcium silicates. Options: soft glass, bottle glass, flint glass, hard glass. Answer: option D, hard glass. The glass is made using a mixture of potassium silicates and calcium silicates. Answer: option D, hard glass. Hardness of stone is found out using options: impact machine, Dory machine, Devil machine, none of those. Answer: option B, Dory machine. Hardness of stone is found out using answer: option B, Dory machine. Salt cake is a raw material for dash glass. Options: potash lead glass, soda lime glass, common glass, none of those. Answer: option C, common glass. Salt cake is a raw material for dash glass. Answer: option C, common glass. A variety of glass which contains heavy element like lead oxide. Options: heavy glass, shatterproof glass, shielding glass, all the above. Answer: option C, shielding glass. A variety of glass which contains heavy element like lead oxide. Answer: option C, shielding glass. Dash is used for drilling the hole during blasting operation of stone. Options: priming needle, dipper, tamping bar, scraper. Answer: option B, dipper. Dash is used for drilling the hole during blasting operation of stone. Answer: option B, dipper. Dash helps in lowering clinkering temperature. Options: alumina, lime, silica, none of those. Answer: option A, alumina. Alumina helps in lowering clinkering temperature. Nodules are formed in which zone during the burning process of cement ingredients? Options: carbon dioxide evaporating zone, moisture evaporating zone, burning zone. Last one, none of those. Answer: option A, carbon dioxide evaporating zone. Nodules are formed in which zone during the burning process of cement ingredients? Answer: option A, carbon dioxide evaporating zone. Total sulfur content in cement. Options: shall not more than 2.75 percentage, more than 2.75 percentage, shall not more than 1.75 percentage, all of those. Answer: option A, shall not more than 2.75 percentage. Total sulfur content in cement. Answer: option A, shall not more than 2.75 percentage. For grinding the cement clinker into fine grains, dash mill is used. Options: ball mill, puck mill, tube mill, all the above. Answer: option C, tube mill. For grinding the cement clinker into fine grains, dash mill is used. Answer: option C, tube mill. Load is applied at a rate of dash Newton per mm square in compressive strength test of cement. Options: 65, 3.5, 35, none of those. Answer: option C, 35. Load is applied at a rate of dash Newton per mm square in compressive strength test of cement. Answer: option C, 35 Newton per mm square. Bessemer process is used for manufacture of. Options: pig iron, steel, wrought iron, cast iron. Answer: option B, steel. Bessemer process is used for the manufacture of. Answer: option B, steel. Cross-sectional area of briquette mold at its least section dash centimeter square. Options: 64, 6.45, 64.5, none of those. Answer: option B, 6.45. Cross-section area of briquette mold at its least section 6.45 centimeter square. Which grade of cement is used for pre-stressed works? Options: 53 grade, 43 grade, 33 grade, none of those. Answer: option A, 53 grade. Which grade of cement is used for pre-stressed work? Answer: 53 grade. Composite mortar is prepared using. Options: cement, lime, lime and cement, alumina cement. Answer: option C, lime and cement. Composite mortar is prepared using. Answer: option C, lime and cement. A mixture of limestone and fuel is fed from the top of dash kiln. Options: continuous flame kiln, intermittent flame kiln, intermittent flare kiln, none of those. Answer: option A, continuous flame kiln. A mixture of limestone and fuel is fed from the top of continuous flame kiln. Concurrent forces are those line of action. Options: meet at one point, lay on the same plane, meet on the same plane, none of those. Answer: option A, meet at one point. Concurrent forces are those line of action meet at one point. What is the percentage of cement is mixed with the asbestos fiber in the manufacture of AC sheet? Options 5%, 15%, 30%, 45%. Answer option B 15%. What is the percentage of cement is mixed with the asbestos fiber in the manufacture of AC sheet? Answer option B 15%. When the spring of a watch is worn, it will possess. Options strain, heat energy, kinetic energy, all the above. Answer option A strain. When the spring of watch is worn, it will possess. Answer option A strain. The length of stair in a horizontal plane including landing is known as. Options flight, going, scortia, run. Answer option D run. Length of stair in a horizontal plane including landing is known as. Answer option D run. The number of dwelling units in a row of building shall not exceed. Options 5, 10, 30, 45. Answer option B 10. Number of dwelling units in a row of building shall not exceed. Answer option B 10. Plumb bob of theodolite is suspended from. Options plate, hook, ring, hole. Answer option B hook. Plumb bob of theodolite is suspended from. Answer option B hook. സോ ഇത്രയാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ഗ്രാൻഡ് മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ജനുവരി 8-ാം തീയതി നടക്കുന്ന KLDC എക്സാമിന് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുന്ന എല്ലാ ഉദ്യോഗാർത്ഥികൾക്കും ഓൾ ദ ബെസ്റ്റ്. നന്നായിട്ട് എഴുതാൻ സാധിക്കട്ടെ എക്സാം. നന്നായിട്ട് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യുക. ഈ ഒരാഴ്ച ഇനിയും മോക്കുകൾ മാക്സിമം അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യുക. പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് കൂടുതൽ കൂടി കാണുക. പഠിച്ച ഭാഗങ്ങൾ വീണ്ടും വീണ്ടും റിവൈസ് ചെയ്യുക. പുതിയതൊന്നും പഠിക്കാൻ ഇനിയൊരു ഈ ആഴ്ച ഉപയോഗിക്കരുത്. മാക്സിമം റിവിഷന് വേണ്ടി മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ്, പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് അതിനൊക്കെ വേണ്ടിയുള്ള സമയമാണ് ഇനി. അപ്പം അങ്ങനെ നന്നായിട്ട് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്ത് മാക്സിമം, മിനിമമോ ആവറേജോ ഒന്നും ആയിട്ട് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്യരുത്. മാക്സിമം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബെസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ പെർഫോം ചെയ്യുക. നന്നായിട്ട് എല്ലാവർക്കും എഴുതാൻ സാധിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. ഇപ്പം ഇതുവരെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലാത്തവരെ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. ഇനി ഇതുപോലെയുള്ള സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള വീഡിയോസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ചാനലിന്റെ ബെൽ ഐക്കൺ കൂടി പ്രസ് ചെയ്യണം. അതേപോലെ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ വീഡിയോ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. മറ്റുള്ളവരിലേക്ക് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നുവെങ്കിൽ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ആൻഡ് താങ്ക് യു.